I was asked the other day if there's any difference between a TPO and a PVC roof. They're often mistaken for each other because they're both white single-ply membranes, but there are some distinct differences. So if you have a restaurant or an industrial plant that spews any kind of grease, oils, or chemicals onto the rooftop, you want to go with a PVC roof because PVC is known as the most chemical resistant roof that's out there in the single-ply world. Now, when it comes to TPO, it has a lot of other advantages. So TPO weathers a lot better, the UV reflection is much better, so it keeps cooling costs down in the summertime a lot better than PVC. Also, it's resistant to fungal growth more than PVC. And it is also an Energy Star rated product, so it is an environmentally friendly product. One of the other clear distinctions over TPO over PVC is the cost. PVC roofs are much more expensive. So if you're considering going with a white roof and you have a restaurant or industrial building, definitely go PVC. Otherwise, if you're looking at going with a white roof and you do not have a restaurant or any type of situation that it's spewing chemicals or oils on top of the roof, TPO is absolutely the way to go.